So hi, my name is Nicolas and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Neurosoft Electronics. So being a startup company in Geneva, it was a pretty obvious choice. Fongit is one of the oldest institutions here in Geneva and provides great infrastructure. They have also a lot of coaches with expertise in life sciences, which is a very specialized domain where we needed people who really know about the field and understand the timelines and the associated risks. And so this is for us a very good match. In addition to all the different resources that they can provide and knowing very well, how Geneva works. So that was for us a plus. So at the moment, our biggest milestone target in the next 6 months is to do our first clinical studies in humans. The goal is to demonstrate the use of our device for both recording and stimulation during brain tumor surgery. And this is really what we're aiming for by the early 2023. And then a bit longer term, towards the end of next year, we want to get our first device approved on the US market by the FDA. So I won't talk about the more conventional stuff, but one of the big lessons I learned over the past few years, and this is very specific to our field, which is medical devices, invasive neurotech, is that it's very important to have conversations early on with investors, especially if you're looking for funding, and to really understand how they perceive risk, and to really focus your milestones on de-risking these various risks that investors have. This can be regulatory, clinical, technological, market. And this might sound obvious, but it's not necessarily, because sometimes if you think about the business, you might not want to do some steps that you do not need normally, but you would require just because you're looking for investors. And so that's really a strong message. I encourage people to really talk to investors early on and understand how they perceive risk and really define milestones in your company based on this.